My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about the SafeMoon. What is the prices goes in the SafeMoon? What is the next move of SafeMoon? In this video I will show you, friends, so keep watch this video till the end, friends. And remember, if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now every Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates, friends. So now let's start the video. As you can see, the current price of the SafeMoon coin is about 0.00005 USD dollar is the current price of SafeMoon coin in the market, friends. If we talk about the change token in SafeMoon, so the last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day change is positive, and the last 1 week change as negative, friends. So that's mean that the last yesterday the SafeMoon again started jumping upward, friends. That is why the last 1 day change as positive and the last 1 week change as negative, friends. For more details, let's see the last 1 week price prediction chart, friends. As you can see here, in the last 1 day, as you can see here, 18 April they again start jumping. As you can see here, in the previous period they take only and only fast token, and the 28 April they again start jumping upward, as you can see here, friends. And if we look the average last 1 week change, so the last 1 week change is about negative 38.38% change occur in the SafeMoon coin in the last 1 week, friends. And they can hit a 0.0008 USD dollar in the last 1 week. That is the highest price of the last 1 week, friends. And same like that, as you can see, the current price is about 0.0005 USD dollar, friends. I also show you, friends. Now let's try to detect the next move of the SafeMoon coin. What's the next move occur in the SafeMoon coin, friends? As you can see here, friends, if we take this point the support level and this point the resistance level, so I hope now they break this resistance level and the resistance becomes support very soon, friends. When the resistance becomes support, that means that the high jump occur in a cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, now as you can see here, that is a live price prediction. Now they are in the 5 is just in the start of video, and now at this time the current price of the SafeMoon coin is about 0.006 USD. So now it is clear for all of you that the SafeMoon goes upward at this time, friends. So what should they do? You should have to at this time hold your coin at this time, friends. If you are a holder of SafeMoon coin, so remember it is a hold time, friends. So what's your opinion about SafeMoon coin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.